Welcome, eSIM Studios. I actually, in the beginning, when they announced when Samsung announced the brand new Galaxy S23 series, I was initially not going to get it. I made a previous video saying, it's not really an upgrade. It's the same body style. Sorry about the vibration. It's kind of like being an Apple fan or Apple user now. They released the same phone with the same design. I've already had the S22 Ultra for a good 8 months last year, and I kind of already knew what it was about, right? And then I started doing some thinking. That was about a week ago when I made that video. And then when they announced it, started watching some videos, and then I got to thinking, the Pixel 7 Pro is my absolute favorite phone. I had the 6 Pro. It didn't have too many issues, but what makes the Pixel 7 so good is that Google basically took the 6 Pro and they improved upon everything that they fell short on the 6 Pro. Battery life's better, processor's better, cameras are better. It's a little different design, basically the same phone. And I think that's what Samsung did with the S23 series. What they did, my few gripes about the S22 Ultra is that, remember back in the day when Samsung would have their devices, they would have flagship specs, but it would still be a tiny bit laggy here or there. I experienced a little bit of lag. This one should definitely be better, be gone. Also with the S Pen on the S22 Ultra, writing on the sides of the screen, my S Pen would fall off when I'm trying to edit photos, videos, and do stuff like that. And the S23 Ultra, they flattened the screen out a little bit more. And the battery life, it was okay, but it wasn't great. And on this S23 model, it is great. From all the videos I've watched, it's been phenomenal. Nobody has anything bad to say about the S23 Ultra. I mean, from all the videos I've watched, I don't think I've heard one person say anything bad. A lot of people were getting 10 hours of screen on time. That's ridiculous. Somebody said they finished the day at 45% left battery, which could technically go on for 2 days of battery life, and they were messing around with their phone all day because they're testing it. So I decided to bite the bullet, not necessarily bite the bullet, but I said, you know what? I went ahead and got it. So I went ahead and bought it today. It's supposed to ship out, I don't know, probably tomorrow and be here this week. So, and I got some more cases for the Pixel 7 series. I'm going to do some more reviews for the Pixel 7 cases, 7 Pro cases. And I just ordered a bunch of cases online for the S23 Ultra. Ordered some speaking cases, ordered some cases that aren't typically found on Amazon. I got some cases on AliExpress, some cool Nilkin cases like this. This is my favorite case of all time, Nilkin. I ordered it. It's small, it's thin, got the felt back. Ordered that for the S23 Ultra, same color. So I'm gonna review that. So I'm gonna go ahead and get the S23 Ultra. I'm going to enjoy the battery life. For y'all that don't know, I got a trade-in, my Note 20 I'm recording on right now. I use the S Pen for everything. I edit videos, I edit content, I edit graphics on my phone with my pen. So I'm using my pen all day, every day. The Note series in the past, and this new S22 Ultra that I used last year with the S Pen, it's phenomenal. If you use stuff like me where you edit videos edit pictures, do content creation. It's phenomenal. There's no other device like it. So that's why I've always had a Note or a Samsung with the S Pen for the last couple years. Now that I do online work, it's phenomenal for me. It's a must-have. So I thought I might as well, because I'm going to use two phones. I'm going to use the S23 Ultra with the S Pen as my work phone, and then I got the Pixel 7 Pro as my personal phone, so I can communicate with my wife and family. I have to have two phones because my work phone is just buzzing all day. So I got the 512 gigabyte white version of the S23 Ultra. So we'll have plenty of reviews, unboxings, case reviews, and like I said, I'm gonna do some more case reviews for that Pixel 7 Pro. So we will have videos with the S23 Ultra here in a few days. Should be delivered in I think about 3 days, so maybe Wednesday or at the latest Thursday. I did overnight delivery too, so it should be here pretty soon. But we look forward to seeing that and shooting those videos for you. So appreciate it, and I'll see you next time.